In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a moving animation in CapCut. We'll be keeping this really simple, and by the end, you'll know how to make any object smoothly move across your screen using keyframes. This works for text, images, stickers, logos, or any other element in your project. First, make sure you already have your project open in the CapCut editor, with the object you want to animate added to your timeline. This could be a piece of text or a graphic you've imported. Once that's ready, click to select the object, either directly on the canvas in the preview window or down on the timeline. You should see it highlighted so you know it's selected. Now, place your playhead at the exact point in the timeline where you want the animation to begin. The playhead is the vertical line you can drag left and right to move through your video. Take a moment to position your object where you want it to start on the screen. This is your initial position, so think about where the motion should begin. Maybe off to one side, at the bottom, or right in the center. Next, look over to the Properties panel, usually found on the top right of the editor. Find the setting labeled Position. Right next to it, you'll see a small diamond-shaped icon. Click that diamond to add your first keyframe. This tells CapCut, at this exact time, keep the object in this exact place. Now we're going to set the ending point of the animation. Drag the playhead further along the timeline to the moment where you want the movement to stop. This could be a quick, snappy movement over a few frames, or a slow, smooth glide over several seconds. With the playhead in that new spot, go back to the preview window and click and drag your object to its new position on the screen. As soon as you move it, CapCut automatically creates another keyframe for that new location. You've now defined both the starting and ending positions. CapCut will automatically animate the movement between those two keyframes. To review your work, drag the playhead back a little before the first keyframe, then hit play. You should see your object glide from the first position to the second. If the motion feels too fast or too slow, simply adjust the distance between the two keyframes on the timeline. Closer together means faster movement. Farther apart means slower movement. And that's it. You've just created a moving animation in CapCut using keyframes.